Use Android phone to scan the QR code to download the app. Open the Uview app and enter the interface. Search for the Wi-Fi hotspot named on your phone and connect to it. Enter the Wi-Fi password 1122334455. Click Login. Key information display. Real-time video play. Single screen zoom in. Full screen landscape zoom in. Search for recording videos in TF card. Playback recording videos in TF card. Download recording videos from TF card. Play downloaded video files. Enter the password 888888 and log in. Please fill in these items based on SIM card information. Continuously click the button in the upper right corner to refresh the dialing status. It indicates successful dialing when an IP address appears. The device ID must be 12 digits. Please enter your server IP address and port number. Link indicates successful connection to the server.